Good morning, guys. I know I look wretched as hell, but who cares? I'm about to head to the hair store to pick up some hair item because I'm gonna do my own hair on video for the first time. I'm not a pro, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Stay tuned. These are the items that I went and purchased. Did not need all of these, but went ahead to get them. We got some lashes. These are the dye that I'm going to be using to dye my hair jet black. So I forgot to get a brush. I'm going to use my child's toothbrush and replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hot water and place it in this bowl. Okay, so for the areas that were over bleached, I'm gonna part them and just take the brush and just slightly brush on them. Just gonna let this sit in the water for 20 minutes. Just gonna go make sure I have all of the areas that was over bleached. It got on the lace, but that's fine because I'm gonna work on that too. As you can see, it's very black. That's exactly what I want. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair out and I'll be right back. This is the wig after washing. I'm just gonna let it air dry a little bit before blow drying it. And then we're gonna go from there. I love the results already though. It's blacker than it was. So it's time to install the wig. First, let me do my lips because not gonna be on here no dry lips now. One thing I hate is dry lips. This is the wig. So pretty. The wig looks cute. Just put that on the lace. like I say, my lace been through it, y'all. My frontal, my hair been through it. But this is how the inside look after placing. It's time! My forehead be equal, but anyway, we gonna fix that. Just to take some of these out of my face. Just so that it can get out my way. Yeah, my glue almost finished, but apply this 3 times. Dry fully yet, but so use gloves when dyeing your hair. I gotta cut my nails, but use gloves. powder that's closer to your skin color. And then okay, so while it's tied down, I'm gonna see whether I wanna do a side part or a middle part. I don't know yet. What to do? What to do? I think I'm gonna go with a side part. Y'all see, let me tell y'all, I should have shown the before and after because this was so over bleached right here. Yes. Yes, baby, yes. Work with me and I'm gonna work with you. Let's give it. Alright, so I'm not good with baby hairs or whatever, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do it to my liking. Okay guys, so I'm about to take this off to see the finished look. I think I like it so far. What y'all think? It's given. I like it, and that's all that matters.